The first week of July introduced bearish pressure, leading to massive losses in the crypto market. Bitcoin led the downtrend as it consistently recorded lower lows amid sustained selling in pressure. Notably, the rest of the market experienced similar losses. Consequently, the global crypto market cap lost $140 billion as it dropped further to $2.11 trillion, its lowest level since late February. While most assets remained down, a few witnessed remarkable recoveries. And then now you are our top picks for cryptocurrencies to watch this week, following their noteworthy performances during the downtrend last week. That's Great Time and What You Go One, and one more special downtrend. And Bitcoin's start to the week was mildly bullish following a consolidation phase 2 weeks back. However, bearish pressure emerged as the leading crypto asset maintained a divergence from U.S. equities currently in their bullish stage. BTC was subjected to its toughest bearish selling pressure this year as a bankrupt exchange, Mt. Gox, began creditor repayments. The German government distributed thousands of BTC tokens. New holders began selling off their assets, and miners showed signs of capitulation. Last week alone, Bitcoin gave up multiple psychological thresholds from 63,000 to 58,000. The asset slumped to a 5-month low of $53,485 on July 5, but immediately rebounded from this position. Despite the mild recovery, BTC ended last week with a 4.5% drop, slightly above $58,000. At press time, the asset has again forfeited the $58,000 threshold amid an additional 1.13% drop. Nonetheless, it has maintained a position above the lower Bollinger Band. Bitcoin's massive hopes of a full recovery hinge on its ability to reclaim the 20-day SMA, $61,509 in the upper Bollinger Band, and $66,000. Litecoin was one of the numerous victims of last week's market collapse. The asset showed resilience at the start of the week, largely consolidating from June 30th to July 15, and one meeting, however, as pressure-mounted LTC recorded 3 consecutive intraday losses from July 3rd to 5, dropping 18.6% within this period. When the market staged a mild rebound on July 6, LTC gained 5.72%, but closed the week with a 12.7% loss. And Litecoin's MACD crossed below the Sigma line on July 4th, confirming the bearish momentum. With both lines currently sloping downward, this suggests the bearish momentum is increasing. LTC needs to decisively close above FID 0.236 to mount a formidable defense against any more declines this week. Tron was one of the few assets that bucked the overall bearish trend last week. TRX started the week with an indecisive bearing, but eventually increased 3.5% over 4 days to 0.12997 on July 3rd, looking to recover the 13 territory. The last time Tron saw this level was on March 13th. The retest of the 13 region coincided with a widespread drop in the market. Tron crashed 6.7% to a low of 10,172 cents on July 5th, but immediately rebounded. A recovery push on July 6th helped it reclaim the bullish momentum, leading to a 4-month high of $13,228. Tron closed last week with a 3.5% increase,